Basic English Conversation for Beginners at the grocery store. Welcome to this English conversation videos for beginners. Today, we're going to the grocery store. Let's learn how to ask for things, talk politely, and pay at the checkout. Listen carefully and repeat the phrases to practice. Let's get started.
Excuse me,
Yes, how can I help you?
do you have any apples?
Yes, they are over there.
How much are they?
$1 each.
I'll take 3, please.
Here you go. Anything else?
Do you have milk?
Yes, it's in the back near the fridge.
Okay, I'll get one.
Is that all?
Yes, that's all.
That will be $4.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your change.
Thanks. Bye.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Let's now review what we learned from this conversation. Takeaway summary, key phrases and vocabularies. Let's review some important words from today's conversation with Arabic meaning. Apples. How much? I'll take. Anything else? Milk. Fridge. That will be change. Here you go. Repeat these words and try using them in your own sentences. Great job, everyone! Now you know how to talk at the grocery store in English. Remember to practice with a friend or repeat the phrases aloud. Question for you: what do you usually buy at the store? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more fun English lessons. See you next time!